What's up, guys? Steven Ducks here. Recently the market's been really slow, so I want to talk about ZN and ANTH. I see a lot of people just assume that the stock is short heavy, but as you can see, every time when the stock holds its support and try to test that like 2.7 or 2.8 area, it always felt that way. So when the stock happens or it holds support all the time, yes, you can dip buy, but be really careful when the stock is really thin that it's very easy to manipulate by the chat rooms. So once you buy with the chat room, but you don't know you are buying with the chat room, once you dump it, you lose your money very, very quickly. So as you can see, it went to 2.57. So if you are thinking, okay, I'm gonna buy when break the morning high, so you buy around 2.5, then suddenly drop to 2.39. Well, this is not a really good example because it didn't drop that much, but for some wide range, I don't recommend buying really thin stocks when they're only trading 2 million or 3 million shares a day, because when you want to focus on some kind of multi-day, multi-week breakout, you have to focus on after breakout. So if you are thinking, okay, the stock went to 2.9, 2.8, then it's testing that top, but it's not a breakout. Buy breakout only. Don't try to predict the stock is going to break out. So this is why people getting burned by some chat rooms because they don't know they're buying with the chat room. Same thing happened with ZN. People are buying it thinking it's gonna do a multi-day, multi-month breakout. The stock went from 2.2 to $5 and dropped back to 3.4, 3.8, and ever since then the stock holds 3.8, 3.9 perfectly for straight 5 days. But every single time when it reaches to that 4.5 area, it failed instantly. So if you're thinking, okay, the stock is uptrending now and potentially break that $5 area, look at what it did. It went from 6 to 4 in a very short amount of time. Also, the stock is really thin. It's not trading that much shares. Just look at this one candle dropped from 4.36 to 4.21, and this one candle dropped from 4.5 to 4.3. So there's not that much there's not much room for you to even react or get out because the stock is so thin. Focus on something that has volume, that has the potential. Also focus on the breakouts. Don't focus on predicting the breakouts. In the market, when you try to predict, you always lose. Only try to react for your best patterns.